A Skyliner ride that ends over Hourglass Lake. Just a bit of taxi dust.
The new Exxon plant. I haven't heard nothing about it. Yeah, well,
There's Ben and Sully and Mike.
Would have been special if we got that one.
I'm giving them their names.
But you know what? I'm getting great videos with no wrap. I'm blessed that way. And this is a fun ride. You go over Hourglass Lake.
That's what this is?
Yes. Well, not here. This is a dry bed here. But over there is the Caribbean Beach Resort over to the side.
Caribbean.
I'm sorry, Caribbean Beach
Welcome
Resort.
aboard the
I got my
Disney
accent.
Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
See?
Now get ready to travel back in time and enter the animated worlds of Disney. We are on our way to Disney's Top Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
it's weird how you can hear people.
Yes, because of the vents as we go by. Especially if the kiddos are screaming.
Florida's is known for the gators, and I don't see a whole lot of gators. But Disney trying to take care of that.
Just ahead and to the right is Disney's Art of Animation Resort, a larger-than-life resort that celebrates the creative magic that goes into crafting Disney animated films, from sketches to reality. On your left is Disney's Pop Century Resort, a memorable resort that celebrates the way we lived, played, and communicated with each other throughout the 20th century. We are now gliding over the sparkling waters of Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
There's ducks out on the lake swimming. Them are 2 ducks.
Where?
Over on this side.
Oh, okay. Ducks.
I ain't seen a duck
In
anywhere.
just a few moments, we will be arriving at the only floating Skyliner station at Walt Disney World Resort.
The
Have
floating
Disney
Skyliner
Park
station?
here for Disney's Top Century Resort and for Disney's Art of Animation
Isn't that a
Resort.
pretty view?
Thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner. Bon voyage!
Bon voyage. See, I can't even say it when I hear it. Bon voyage. More like bon voyage. Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children. Collect your belongings.